Welcome back. So we are in Burlington, Ontario, Canada, and we're doing a very special property tour today of a $2.6 million home nestled in the highly sought after and coveted neighborhood of Tyandaga Woodlands. This neighborhood features luxury estate homes and a mix of lush green spaces. This area is known for its proximity to Tyandaga Golf Course, tennis club, and numerous parks. It sits on a 70 by 120 lot and features a large saltwater swimming pool, hot tub, and gazebo. This property is truly an entertainer's dream. So the property we're reviewing today is 1072 Forestvale Drive in Burlington. This is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom home, and it covers over 4,200 square feet of interior living space. So let's get started with the tour. We enter into the house on the main floor, and on this level we have the living room, dining room, the kitchen, the office, as well as the family room. So coming into the kitchen area, we have a large stone island which is custom made, as well as custom millwork and all the cabinetry, and we have a large high-end Thermador gas stove with 6 burners. You also have a full high-end appliance package here. You have a large double-door fridge, you have a microwave, a built-in dishwasher, as well as main floor laundry. So the kitchen is connected to the dining room, which sits underneath an open ceiling skylight with a beautiful solid beam design. It's one of the many features that makes this property truly unique. The dining room also features large windows which provide sweeping views of the backyard as well as the landscape, and it also has this beautiful stone wall which accents really well to the flooring. Moving into the family room now, the space features beautiful hardwood as well as this custom TV wall mixed with stone and custom millwork for the open shelves. This room also has pot lights as well as 2 large windows to let in lots of natural light, and it's a great place to just hang out and relax. So this floor also has an office space as well as a living room. Living room features a large bay window. The office has high ceilings and they both have hardwood flooring. So moving on to the second floor now, there's 4 bedrooms up here, as well as 3 full bathrooms, and we're gonna make our way to the showstopper, the primary bedroom. Let's check it out. Welcome to the primary bedroom. This room is absolutely massive. It's 19 by 15 feet. There's 2 double door closets. As well, there's a full 5-piece ensuite with a floating tub, a standing shower, as well as a double sink vanity. Welcome to the lower level of this property. This area features a great room, a rec room, a wet bar, a full washroom, a den, as well as a full bedroom, and additional storage space for the homeowners. The great room is currently set up as an entertaining area with a couch and a TV, but it can be used to the user's delight. As well, you can see the rec room we've completely laid out to match the wet bar. We have a pool table, we have bar stools, a great open concept space to do whatever you like with. So we are here at my favorite area on the property, the backyard. This area features a large saltwater pool. It has an elevated hot tub with 8 seats. It's got a gazebo, and it backs on to Forestvale Park, which provides lots of privacies with these large trees on the lot and provides a nice natural element to the property. This lot is also fully landscaped, and it features lots of stone in the backyard as well as interlocking stone in the front driveway. So we hope you enjoyed this tour of 1072 Forestvale Drive in Burlington, Ontario. This property is absolutely spectacular and it's listed by our team for sale for $2.6 million. So if you'd like to book a private tour, reach out to us at our contact info below. And if you like these videos, subscribe and like our channel, and we'll see you all next time.